First of all, good evening, everybody. Thank you, everyone who is watching it. Everybody, like everybody. And really heartiest of the gratitude to my comrades of PSF who provided me with an opportunity to interact with you all so that I could like convey my own thoughts during this times of pandemic when we all are suffering in our own ways, and still we have to keep our hope alive, and overcome the anxious time that is ahead of us. And yeah, Shomoda. Uh, yeah, so what what I have to say, basically, how I have planned this session is that I have a few songs in my mind which I thought I would sing, which I want to convey. कुछ गाने हैं मेरे दिमाग में जो मैं गाना चाहती हूँ, और I'll also be taking requests, and I would try my best, trust me, to fulfill requests if like I know the song. But even if I don't, I would provide with an alternative so that you're not disappointed. And see what I have thought of, or how I have perceived the entire situation that is ongoing in the whole country and the whole world, is that somewhere I can see that the only thing that can keep us going and help us, cope with every kind of situation is love and sympathy, which is the need of the hour, which we need to keep in our heart. We need to keep that love and empathy alive, because that is the need of the hour. Maybe we have to be united and help each other out, like that's very much needed. Like that is something that we have to come up with. And today I really wish to just put forth the love through my songs. I want to spread empathy and love. That is all I want to do through my songs. And I hope you all would like it. I would really I'm really grateful to everybody who is watching. So I'll start with the first song. I guess I can start off with a song of my choice. So this is a pretty old song, but old is gold, right? So this is from the movie Anari, which was released around in 1959, and the singer of this song is Mukesh, and the music was written by Shankar Jaikishan, and the lyrics was written by Hasrat Jaipuri, and the director of the movie was Rishikesh Mukherjee. Yeah, so I'll just start with the song, spread some love, and we'll keep going with the session. I really hope you like the song. Yeah. Hi, Ankita. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है, किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो पलटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो न हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है, किसी के मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का, रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का, कि मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है, किसी के मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। Thank you. You know what I hope, I really hope during this time of isolation and alienation, we really don't forget what it is about being connected with our friends, with our family. We already are connected to our families, most of us, but there are a lot of people on the streets who are still struggling to meet their families, and I really hope we don't forget what is living and what is called being human. Yeah. Did you all like it? Yeah, and Aishwarya, love. Thank you, Shondipta. Yeah. So, talking about love and empathy and taking this session forward, you know how I really want to share something that is personal, how this pandemic actually broke out to me, at least personally. Thank you, Agrik. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. So how this broke out to me, initially I guess none of us, not even the government took it seriously, I guess, about how this pandemic can, you know, impact our lives. When I realized that it's very real, when in at TISS, when I was living back in Bombay, two of my college mates were, you know, pushed out of the society where they were living, and you know what their fault was. They belonged to the northeastern states. They were from Nagaland, and as the thing, basically, as the crisis unfolded in front of us, ahead of us, I could see a lot of intolerance towards the like northeastern people, and calling them with derogatory remarks like coronavirus and everything. It really saddened me. Have we really become that intolerant? Do we really need to do this right now? I don't think we do. Like, we could differ at points, but this is not the time really to, you know, spread intolerance and hatred towards a particular minority community, I guess. And what I have to say is that this is just not a time. So the next song that I have thought of is a Bengali song. Yeah, I'll sing a Malayalam song too. So this one is a Bengali song because I'm a Bengali, And when I think of this kind of an instance where a particular community is being targeted, or uh, intolerance among us, I only can connect to this song, which perhaps brings out the picture, which is, it was written back in the 1990s and yet it is so relevant. And I guess we all deserve to know this song and hear this song together. This was written by Shumon Chatterjee, who is presently known as Kobi Shumon. The name of the song is Ami Chai. So for all the non-Bengali speakers out there, I would want to like at least translate a few lines so that we get the feeling of the song, because otherwise there's no point of singing something only because I like it, right? So the song basically says Ami Chai, which means I want. I want a Santhal can speak in his own language in the UN. I want Mahua would bloom in the garden of luxury. I want a Nepali guy would come to Calcutta to sing in his own language. I want the bow of Jharkhand makes your heart dance in the tune of Jhumur, which is a dancing genre, by the way, a dancing style. I want nobody in Kashmir hears the sound of bullet again. I want politics to be overtaken by people. I want a Hindu leader would have a daughter-in-law whose name is Salma Khatun. I want religion would be synonymous to humanity. I want people would mourn over cutting at the state assembly for cutting trees. I want protest would be in red palash or red hibiscus. I want if a pond is blocked, the sky would shed tears. I want everybody speaks about revolution together. And if you still think that I'm asking for an utopian state, I want someday this utopia would be accepted everywhere. হ্যাঁ সুমনাদি, আমি চাই বিজেপি নেতার সালমা খাতুন পুত্রবধূ. Yeah. Well, this song is not meant to offend anybody out there. This is just to remind us of the tolerance that we already have inside us, and we need to remind ourselves how tolerant and good we are. We are capable of loving. Yeah, we'll start. আমি চাই সাঁওতাল তার ভাষায় বলবে রাষ্ট্রপুঞ্জে, আমি চাই মহুল ফুটবে শৌখিনতার গোলাপ কুঞ্জে, আমি চাই সাঁওতাল তার ভাষায় বলবে রাষ্ট্রপুঞ্জে, আমি চাই মহুল ফুটবে শৌখিনতার গোলাপ কুঞ্জে, আমি চাই নেপালি ছেলেটা গিটার হাতে, আমি চাই তার ভাষাতেই গাইতে আসবে কলকাতাতে, আমি চাই নেপালি ছেলেটা গিটার হাতে, আমি চাই তার ভাষাতেই গাইতে আসবে কলকাতাতে, আমি চাই ঝাড়খণ্ডের তীর ধনুকে, আমি চাই ঝুমুর বাজবে তোমার বুকে, আমি চাই কাশ্মীরে আর শুনবে না কেউ গুলির শব্দ, আমি চাই মানুষের হাতে রাজনীতি হবে ভীষণ জব্দ, আমি চাই কাশ্মীরে আর শুনবে না কেউ গুলির শব্দ, আমি চাই মানুষের হাতে রাজনীতি হবে ভীষণ জব্দ, আমি চাই হিন্দু নেতার সালমা খাতুন পুত্রবধূ, আমি চাই ধর্ম বলতে মানুষ বুঝবে মানুষ শুধু, আমি চাই বিজেপি নেতার সালমা খাতুন পুত্রবধূ, আমি চাই ধর্ম বলতে মানুষ বুঝবে মানুষ শুধু, আমি চাই গাছ কাটা হলে শোক সভা হবে বিধানসভায়, আমি চাই প্রতিবাদ হবে রক্ত পলাশে রক্ত জবায়, আমি চাই পুকুর বোজালে আকাশ ভাসবে চোখের জলে, আমি চাই সবাই যেন দিন বদলের পদ্য বলে, আমি চাই মন্ত্রীরা প্রেম করুন সকলে নিয়ম করে, আমি চাই তা বলুন কণ্ঠ ভরে, যদি বলো চাইছি নেহাত, যদি বলো চাইছি নেহাত, চাইছি নেহাত স্বর্গরাজ্য। আমি চাই একদিন হবে, একদিন হবে, এটাই গ্রাহ্য। থ্যাংক ইউ। Thank you, Ankit, and everybody who joined in between. I could not respond on time. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you all for ভালোবাসি। থ্যাংক ইউ সুমনাদি। ভালোবাসি। ওকে, চেষ্টা করব, অবশ্যই চেষ্টা করব গাওয়ার। হ্যাঁ, অনুভূতি। থ্যাংক ইউ আগ্রিক, থ্যাংক ইউ আগ্রিক, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ তনুকা দি। Yeah. Then I'll go ahead with the session maybe. Yeah. So, সাড়া দাও। হবে, হবে, হবে। Thank you, Chetna. Thanks, Ankit. Yeah, I'll take this forward maybe. So, going ahead with the session, I really want to extend my solidarity and Ramdas, yeah, I'll see. Extend my solidarity to the health workers who are being the foot soldiers of this situation, and even people who are providing with online support to a lot of people, and they are literally the foot soldiers of the situation, yet they are denied of the protective gear that they deserve, and the rights they are entitled to. And I'm sorry, I cannot not talk about all these things, because I have a lot of friends who have shed tears and who are undergoing depressive times because of the situation, and looking at how the rate of doctors' death in Italy, and the situation around the country as well, it really saddens me. Yet we have been told by the authority that everything is okay, the doctors are okay, the numbers are going really okay, like just that everything is okay, right? Just that still the situation is not under control. Yeah, I'll just want to sing the next song, which is by Habib Jalib. The name of the song is Dastoor. I mean, it was a poem written by him, and which was later turned into a song. And when I sing this, I miss you, Karthik. Please note me there. I miss you, Karthik. Comrade Karthik was the person who basically introduced me with the song, and I still remember Tariq, who used to correct my pronunciations, because I could not pronounce a lot of Urdu words. Yeah, I really miss you, Karthik and Tariq, right now. So I'll start with the song. Yeah, that's the Anvesha, Saqib. I'll really try to sing. Yeah. दीप जिसका मोहल्लात ही में जले, चंद लोगों की खुशियों को लेकर चले, वो जो साए में हर मसलहत के तले, ऐसे दस्तूर को सुबह बेनूर को मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता, ऐसे दस्तूर को सुबह बेनूर को मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता। मैं भी खायफ नहीं तख्ताएदार से, मैं भी मंसूर हूँ कह दो अगियार से। क्यों डराते हो जिंदों की दीवार से, क्यों डराते हो, क्यों डराते हो जिंदों की दीवार से। जुल्म की बात को, ज़हन की रात को मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता, ऐसे दस्तूर को सुबह बेनूर को मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता। फूल शाखों पे खिलने लगे, तुम कहो जाम रिंदों में मिलने लगे, तुम कहो चाक सीनों में मिलने लगे, तुम कहो इस खुले झूठ को, ज़हन की लूट को मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता, ऐसे दस्तूर को सुबह बेनूर को मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता। Thank you. Yeah, hey Lumbini. Karthik, I really miss you right now. Sneha, thank you. Akanksha, thank you so much. Anvesha. Yeah. Anuvriti never stops taking credit. Yeah. So I was just thinking which song should I sing next. Yeah. Jhilam, Rabta. Yeah, I'll sing Rabta. I really like the song. Yeah. Yeah. So I could take up Jhilam right now. Thank you so much, Agrik. Thank you so much. Yes, I will sing a Malayalam song. I only know 2 Malayalam songs. I'll sing one of them. Sure. Yeah. So I think I want to go ahead with Jhilam from the movie Heather, because when we talk about people, we should not forget the people from the most beautiful part of India. We should not. And we haven't heard from them in quite some time, right? And this movie is all about Kashmir. Yeah, I'm talking about Kashmir. We have not really heard from Kashmir for a long time now, and even as we saw recently the arrest of one of the journalists, this is heartbreaking, And yeah, I guess I would go ahead with Jhilam. Thank you so much, Didi Bhai. है हम देखेंगे वो गाइबो झिलम. Yeah, I'll start with Jhilam. Yeah, so as I'm used to talking about the song, I'm sorry if I'm boring you guys, a bit. I think context is needed when we listen to a song, because every song is kind of a mood, kind of. I keep on saying this to my friends quite a lot, because I think every song sets a mood, and it's important to know the pretext of the song. Yeah, so this song Jhilam is from the movie Haider. The singer and composer of the song is Vishal Bharadwaj. The lyricist is Gulzar, and the music producer of this song of this album is Simab Sen. And Jhilam stands out as an extremely moving and effective portrayal of the plight of Kashmiri citizens trapped over in a state of uncertainty and fear. Yeah, I will sing Bauraman too at the end. And it the basically Jhelum is the name of the river that's there in Kashmir, and the rest of it I don't think I need to elaborate more on it, because the song speaks for itself. It's an amazing song composed by Vishal Bharadwaj, and it's quite a difficult song. Please pardon me if I cannot live up to your expectations. I really want to sing the song, that's why I'm singing it. I might not be able to do justice to the song, but I'll try to sing it with all my heart. Jhelum jhelum ढूंढे किनारा, झेलम झेलम ढूंढे किनारा, डूबा सूरज किन आँखों में, सूरज डूबा किन आँखों, झेलम हुआ झेलम ढूंढे किनारा, झेलम झेलम ढूंढे किनारा, किससे पूछे कितनी देर से, दर्द को सहते जाना है, का हाथ पकड़ कर कब तक चलते जाना है। लोह 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 वक्त का खून हुआ रे, लोह 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 वक्त का खून हुआ रे, लोह 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 बहता अंगारा, लोह बहता अंगारा, डूबा सूरज किन आँखों में, सूरज डूबा किन आँखों में, झेलम हुआ खारा, झेलम झेलम ढूंढे किनारा, झेलम झेलम ढूंढे किनारा। Yeah, I would really appreciate if you could tell me if you liked it or not, because I'm very insecure to sing this song given the difficulty of the song. Yeah, Babin, you are there, just here. Asika, I miss you too, comrade. I miss you too. Thank you so much, uncle. Thank you so much. Oh, Agrik. Thank you, Aisha. Oh, yes. I guess now it's the time to go ahead, Anvesha. uh, yeah. I will sing Jodi Akashirkai Kannapati too. I guess now I am going to sing a Malayalam song because of the requests that are coming, and I recently have learned a Malayalam song, and the song is basically from I don't know much about the song. I'm sorry, pardon me for that. So the song is from the movie Kumbalangi Nights. The name of the song is Charadukal, and as I said, I recently learned the song. Let's see how it turns out. I'm searching for the lyrics. Sorry. Yes, surely I'll sing Hindi songs. Oh, Karthik. Now I really want to sing this song. That's why I'm searching for the lyrics of the song. Please pardon me if I cannot sing the song well. Please pardon me. ചരാതുകൾ തോറും നിൻതിയോർമയായി തരാതെ പോം ചാരുവമുമക്കളാ ചുഴലുന്നുരേ കൊട്ടാക്കുരിരുൾ കഴിയോം ഞാനേറിയാം I'm making mistakes while singing the song. I'm sorry. I don't really want to mess up with the song. So I guess my trial was really honest. I could sing two lines of the song Parayan Marunadu. 2 lines or 1 line. Yeah. Parayan Maranna, Parayan Maranna, Parayan Maranna, Paribhavangal. Parayan Maranna, Paribhavangal, Virahardrama, Migado. Yeah, that's it. So I'll go ahead with the session. A lot of you had asked me to sing Hum Dekhenge as well, and this was on my list. So I particularly want to sing this song, you know why? Because of the kind of thanks Gautam, thanks Gopi. Yeah. So I really want to sing the song Hum Dekhenge because I have come across two of the cases in Turkey recently, two of the artists who died, like protesting for their right to sing what they want to sing. The freedom of speech and freedom of singing, basically. Freedom of expression and this age of censorship, I guess, more and more. And this is not a recent phenomena though, like people across generations have faced this censorship. And this poem, poem, I would say, this nazm is by Faiz Ahmed Faiz, and I would give a bit of background to the song. Yeah. This nazm was composed as a medium of protest against Ziaul Haq's oppressive regime, and the poem employs the metaphor of traditional divine imagery and challenged the authoritative Zia's fundamentalist interpretation of them, and for which recently quite a lot of controversy had arisen out of surrounding the song. So like the rest of it, the song will convey for itself, I guess. And my solidarity is extended to artists all around the world who are some of the most empathetic and hopeful people around there, and who needs to be heard, who don't need to be stopped. And during this time of crisis, anxiety, and pandemic, I guess art is something that is keeping us alive, and art keeps us alive despite beyond any situation, irrespective of what the situation is. Yeah. So thank you, Mannada. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll start with the song. हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे, लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे वो दिन के जिसका वादा है, हम देखेंगे जो लोहे अज़ल में लिखा है, हम देखेंगे, लाज़िम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे जब जुल्मो सितम के कोहे गरा, जब जुल्मो सितम के कोहे गरा रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे, हम महकूमों के पाँव तले, ये धरती धड़ धड़ धड़केगी और अहले हकम के सर पर जब बिजली कड़केगी, करेगी हम देखेंगे, लाज़िम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे। जब अर्ज़े खुदा के काबे से जब अर्ज़े खुदा के काबे से सब बुत उठवाए जाएंगे, हम अहले सफा मरदूदे हरम मसनद पे बिठाए जाएंगे, सब ताज उछाले जाएंगे, सब तख्त गिराए जाएंगे, हम देखेंगे, लाज़िम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे। बस नाम रहेगा अल्लाह का, बस नाम रहेगा अल्लाह का, जो गायब भी है हाजिर भी, जो नाज़िर भी है मंज़र भी, उठेगा नल हक का नारा, उठेगा नल हक का नारा, जो मैं भी हूँ और तुम भी हो, और राज करेगी खल्के खुदा, जो मैं भी हूँ और तुम भी हो, हम देखेंगे, लाज़िम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे। वो दिन के जिसका वादा है हम देखेंगे, लाज़िम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे। Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, amazing people who are commenting amazing things. Yeah, Charu, you can sing that song. Maitri, I really wish we could have sung this song together, you know. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And a lot of my comrades are asking me to sing Bella Ciao, the Italian version especially. Yeah, Gautam. Basically, the thing is that I'm really sorry. I haven't learned the the Italian version of it. Yes, I would sing a Rabindra Sangeet. I would. Yeah. So, and I initially thought of singing Bella Ciao and learning the song, but I finally dropped the idea. But yet I would like to mention the song because you know what? The song holds significance beyond Money Heist. Money Heist, I'm like really grateful. It has made the song very famous. But please try to know the historical significance of the song. It's really beyond Money Heist. It has a huge significance in the revolutionary context. Please try to know about the song. That I would be really grateful to you if you do that. Thank you so much. And I'm sorry I haven't learned the songs of group Yoram. I'm sorry. Yeah. I will go ahead with a Bengali song. And I promise I would sing Bavraman, I would sing a Rabindra Songit as well. But the next song is something I really want to sing. Yeah, I would sing that Rabindra Songit only. Yeah. The next song is written by Moushumi Bhoumik. The name of the song is Ei Shomoyer Buke Khoto Lekha Ache. This song, I would just give you a brief of the song here. I thought of singing this song considering the street vendors, the vegetable shop people, and the working class who is still struggling in the metro cities and all over the country actually to get back to their home. When we say stay home, they don't have a home to stay in, and they are still struggling. People are dying walking after 2-3 days. Children are dying, and I guess this time will be remembered for the wounds that the blood that have been shed from their wounds as well. And the next song is I would really quickly move on to the next song, and please let me know if I'm talking too much, because I don't want to eat up a lot of your time talking. Yeah. Thank you, Indrani. The next song is Ei Shomoyer Buke Khoto Lekha Ache. এই সময়ের বুকে ক্ষত লেখায় আছে, শহরের বুকে ক্ষত জমে আছে। কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে পাই না, কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে পাই না। এই সময়ের বুকে ক্ষত জমে আছে, শহরের বুকে ক্ষত জমে আছে। কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে পাই না, কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে পাই না। আকাশটা বড় মেঘ কালো ছিল, জানলা খুলতে মুখ ভ্যাংচালো। বড় মেঘ কালো ছিল, জানলা খুলতে মুখ ভ্যাংচালো। মুখ কালো তবু বৃষ্টি নামে না, আকাশ এখন কাঁদতে জানে না। আকাশের বুকে ক্ষত লেখায় আছে, সময়ের বুকে ক্ষত জমে আছে। কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে চাই না, কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে চাই না। রাস্তা চলছে রাস্তার ছেলে, হাতে ধরায় আছে দুমড়ানো বাটি। কুকুরের মতো পায়ে পায়ে চলে, ঘ্যান ঘ্যানে সুরে একই কথা বলে। ছেলেটার বুকে ক্ষত জমে আছে, বাটিটাতে জানি ক্ষত জমে আছে। কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে পাই না, কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে পাই না। বাজারের মোড়ে পথে ঘোরে বাজারের মোড়ে বুড়ো ফেরিওয়ালা সময়ের দোষে পথে পথে ঘোরে একদিন দেখি মুখোশ পরে সে কাগজের এক বাঘ হয়ে গেছে বাঘের মুখে ক্ষত জমে আছে শরীরের দাগে ক্ষত জমে আছে কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে চাই না কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে চাই না এই সময়ের বুকে ক্ষত জমে আছে শহরের বুকে ক্ষত জমে আছে কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে চাই না কিছু দেখি কিছু দেখতে চাই না Yeah, I'm sorry I committed a mistake in many parts. I interchanged the words. Pardon me, please. I'll drink a bit of water. Yeah, Haat Bandhi Bhi. Yeah, I'll sing that too. Should I move on to Bavraman? Yes or no? Thank you, Agrik. Yeah. I'll have to wrap it up in 2-3 songs. So I'm sorry if I could not sing the songs that you all had requested. I'm really sorry. Yeah, I'll start with Bavraman then. बाबरामन देखने चला एक सपना I'll sing Tu Zinda. I'll fix the Tanpura bit, sorry. बाबरामन देखने चला एक सपना बाबरामन देखने चला एक सपना बावरे से मन की देखो बावरे है बातें बावरी सी धड़कने हैं बावरी है सांसें बावरी सी करवटों से निंदिया दूर भागे बावरी सी करवटों चाहे बावरे झरोखों से बावरे नजारों को तकना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना बावरे से इस जहां में बावरा एक साथ हो इस सयानी भीड़ में बस हाथों में तेरा हाथ हो बावरी सी धुन हो कोई बावरा एक राग हो बावरी सी धुन हो कोई बावरा एक राग हो बावरे से पैर चाहे बावरे तरानों के बावरे से बोल पे थिरकना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना बावरा सा हो अंधेरा बावरी खामोशिया बावरा सा हो अंधेरा बावरी खामोशिया थरथराती लोह मध्यम बावरी मदहोशिया बावरा एक घूंघट बावरा एक घूंघटा चाहे हौले हौले बिन बताए बावरे से मुखड़े से सिरकना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना Thanks, Abid, Asika, yeah, Anuvriti, yeah. Okay, like I'll wrap it up soon. So the next song I'm gonna sing is, and trust me, after that I'll be singing all the songs that you have requested, and I still remember one Rabindra Sangeet and also Amar Hath Bandhi Bhi. I do remember both of the songs. I would sing. গাইবো তনুকা দি গাইবো শিওর গাইবো Yeah. So the next song that I'm gonna sing, the last song of my choice, basically. Yeah, shown up. Yeah, this is the last song of my choice. After that, I'll be singing the requests, I promise. And please don't be disheartened if I cannot fulfill everybody's request, because my voice is also cracking after singing and talking for a long time, because I think I talk more than I sing, so I'm sorry. Yeah, the song is Tu Zinda Hai. The lyrics was written by Shankar Shailendra, who was known for his association with Raj Kapoor. He also wrote Awara Hu, and he has written a lot of popular songs during his time. and poetry was his first love, but family situation forced him to take up a job of a railway mechanic. He used to work in the railway workshop at Parel in Mumbai. His colleagues would later recall amusedly how he thought this crazy man was wasting his time writing and reciting some meaningless poems. See, this is why artists should be heard of, right? Heard too, right? How they were to know that the same man would later proudly proclaim through the song. This is an amazing song, I guess, and during this time when we are losing out on our hopes, I guess we need to rebuild and redefine hope and keep hope alive within ourselves and remind ourselves that maybe we are locked up in our places, but we are still, alive. Yeah. तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. तू जिंदा है. सुबह हो शाम के रंगे हुए गगन को चूम कर, तो सुन जमीन गा रही है कब से झूम झूम कर. सुबह हो शाम के रंगे हुए गगन को चूम कर, तो सुन जमीन गा रही है कब से झूम झूम कर. तू आ मेरा श्रृंगार कर, तू आ मुझे हसीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. तू जिंदा है. ये गम के और 4 दिन, सितम के और 4 दिन, ये दिन भी जाएंगे गुजर गए 1000 दिन. ये गम के और 4 दिन, सितम के और 4 दिन, ये दिन भी जाएंगे गुजर गए 1000 दिन. कभी तो होगे इस चमन पे भी बहार की नजर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. तू जिंदा है. Yeah? The comments are so diverting. Yeah. So the songs of my choice ends here. Yeah. I will. Thank you so much. Thank you, comrades. The next song is going to be Amar Hat Bandhibi. Yeah, it's a song. Basically it's a Bengali folk song, which is recently Rabta. After this Rabta. Yes, Anuruddhi Rabta after this. Thank you, Navanita Di. Thank you so much. So this is this session going too long for you all? Like just a feedback. I need a feedback. Like is this going on for too long right now? Are you guys bored? I could cut it short though. That's what I'm asking. Yeah. No more Vapas Jao or Bela Chao this time, Jishnu. Thank you so much, Megha. Thank you so much. Thank you, Indrani. Thank you so much. Anisha, I really, আমার তোর কথা প্রচন্ড মনে পড়ছে. So this song, Amar Hat Bandhibi, me and Anisha sang together recently in the Bengali Cultural Fest at TISS, and I really do miss Anisha while singing. Yeah. I'll start with the song. Shona, can you stop doing this? Yeah. আমার হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার চোখ বান্ধিবি মুখ বান্ধিবি পরাণ বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার চোখ বান্ধিবি মুখ বান্ধিবি পরাণ বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমি না গেলাম যমুনার ঘাটে না তুলিলাম জল না হইলাম না হেরিলাম তারে সখী না হইলাম চঞ্চল আমি না গেলাম যমুনার ঘাটে না তুলিলাম জল না হেরিলাম তারে সখী না হইলাম চঞ্চল আমার ইচ্ছা বান্ধিবি সোহাগ বান্ধিবি অনুরাগ বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার চোখ বান্ধিবি মুখ বান্ধিবি পরাণ বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমি না দিলাম কুলিতে কালি কলঙ্কের জ্বালা না হইল সে মরি অঙ্গের মালা আমার ঘর বান্ধিবি পথ বান্ধিবি কপাল বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার ঘর বান্ধিবি পথ বান্ধিবি কপাল বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার চোখ বান্ধিবি মুখ বান্ধিবি পরাণ বান্ধিবি কেমনে my voice is cracking a bit. I could not sing as I planned to sing it. Babin. Yeah, this is really a lockdown song, Shandipta. True. I wish you were here, Agrik. I really wish so. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't think I can pull it off. Like I have to uh, wrap it up in next two songs, and I really cannot um, disappoint Anuvriti here, who really wanted me to sing Rapta, and at least I'll sing one paragraph of it. I'll really try to sing the first paragraph for you. And to all of you who wanted me to, who have still be, who are patient enough to listen to me for such a long time, Shumanadi Rapta. For such a long time, I'm really grateful to you all and for hearing me out for such a long time and listening to my, speeches. Because more than songs I spoke, I guess that is why, such a long time has been consumed. Sorry. Am I audible again? There was an interruption in the. That's why asking. Thank you. Is the Tanpura okay now? Shonab, is the Tanpura okay now? Yeah. कहते हैं खुदा. Yeah. I'll sing the first paragraph. Yeah. I'm just trying to locate my scale here. Please bear with me for some time. Yeah, let's start. कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। तू हम सफ़र है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह है यही मरना इसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए। हो मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया, गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन भर गया, तेरा नज़ारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला, तकदीर की कश्तियों को किनारा मिला, सदियों से तरसे हैं जैसे जिंदगी के लिए, तेरे शौबत में दुआएं हैं उसी के लिए। तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए। Happy Anuruti. Yeah, I'll have to wrap up the session really fast. Yeah. Weekly করতে হবে। It's really amusing to see the conversations that are going on through the comments. Thank you, Shumanadi. Shop Brutus. Okay. Thank you all for being here, and I will wrap up this session with we shall overcome, and like I will continue singing the song. If you all sitting at your own houses sing it along with me, and I feel very encouraged when people sing with me, so let's all sing it together. We shall overcome this situation. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয় নিশ্চয়। ও বুকে গভীর আছে প্রত্যয়, আমরা করব জয় নিশ্চয়। হোগি শান্তি চারর, হোগি শান্তি চারর, হোগি শান্তি চারর। एक दिन वो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। Yeah, thank you so much, Gautam. Yes, from balcony you could have sung, and I'm sure you haven't sung the song. Thank you so much, Shonab, Agrek. Thank you, Karthik. You all made my day. You all made my day. I could never have even thought of such a session. And thank you so much, PSF, my comrades. And also another important thing that I wanted to mention in this session, which I forgot in the beginning of the session, is that there is a campaign that PSF is running, Art is Resistance. So you all can send your artwork. It could be painting, it could be a singing video, it could be a dancing video, whatever you all want. If you feel like, you can send it to our email ID. We'll be sharing again the details, the email ID from our page, and we'll post it from our page. So this is the time we need to be united, and as I said, we need to spread love, empathy, and we all need to be together. And thank you, Baba, Ma, and my annoying brother who are waiting in the other room for me to just go. Thank you all for being here with me, and each and every one of you personally, I want to thank you all. You all are love. You all are love. I had such a great evening, Bhavya. I had such a great evening. You are love too, Anuriti. হ্যাঁ তনুকাদি তোমরা ভিডিওটা পাবে annoying brother Orko, you are also annoying. Yeah, you are a sweetheart brother though. Yeah. Thank you all who have been a constant support in this process, my friends, comrades, family, Babin, Dee, Tonukadi, Shomnab, everybody, thank you so much. I'll end it. Good night, have a great day, and let me know how did you like it. I'm sorry if I could not fulfill some of your wishes, some of your requests. Sakib, I'm really sorry, especially I could not sing Jodi Akasher Gaye Kanna Pati. I would record it alag se and send it to you. Good night. Bye. Bye Ramdas. Bye everybody. Take care. Spread love.